Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to adjust a sagging car door, easy method. Support the door with a jack or sturdy block before you touch any bolts to prevent strain. Loosen the hinge bolts just enough to allow movement, then lift the door into alignment while a helper checks gaps and latch engagement. Tighten bolts gradually, test the door several times, and add thin shims if small tweaks are needed for perfect fit. Before starting, collect a socket set, torque wrench, jack or block, and thin shims for fine adjustments, and ask a friend to help. Park on level ground and open the door fully so you can access hinge bolts easily, and protect the paint with a soft cloth under support points. Loosen hinge bolts just enough to allow shifting, lift, or lower the door to align gaps, then tighten bolts while checking operation repeatedly. Start by loosening hinge bolts slightly so the door can move but won't fall, and support the door weight with a jack or block. Move the door a little at a time, checking the latch and gaps after each shift, then tighten bolts a bit and recheck. For tiny corrections, insert thin shims or washers behind the hinge, and always test open and close several times to ensure smooth, consistent operation without binding or scraping.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.